Welcome back to my channel Way to Machine guys once again. Hopefully you guys are doing well. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please go and subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, press all to get notification for all my upcoming videos. So in this video I'll discuss regarding the Synergy payment failure. Okay, so some of the students reported me, but before moving to the topic, if you want to get study material for your Synergy preparation for deck career, engine career and GP rating, all three departments, then you check the description box, you'll find the link. Go and get your preparation kit, okay, for the Synergy examination. So first thing is that not most of the students, I cannot say, but at least 10-12 candidate message me regarding that they're unable to pay the fees for the Synergy. So fees, as you know, that 1000 rupees plus 18% GST means 1180 rupees. Okay, so what is the problem regarding this matter? I'll tell you the problem and I'll tell you is there any remedy to resolve it. Okay, so let's start with the problem. There might be two problems. First problem I'll discuss, okay, I will try to explain in very simplified words. I will not use any technical terms and all. Okay, so as you know, Synergy is a shipping company website, right? It is not payment gateway like Amazon, Flipkart, all the things like food apps like Swiggy, Zomato. This kind of apps are made for the payment. Okay, in this kind of app, if you want to get something, you have to make the payment first, right? So this type of website are made like that, or you can say designed like that. Okay, inscriptions are there in the website. So encryptions are different for this kind of website. Encryptions are there, SSL are there, lot of terms are there. I will not go in that technicalities. So in a simple form, when you are transacting through a shipping company website, it might be sometimes difficult because they're not meant for the making payment. So maybe link is down, or maybe huge traffic is there in Synergy website. That thing you have to keep in your mind, because a lot of students are trying payment at the same time. So that can be a problem, that website is unable to handle lot of payments in same time. Okay, so that is the problem. That might be the problem, one problem. Second problem, I don't know which all payment gateway methods they are having. I guess internet banking will be definitely there. Apart from that, your debit card, credit card options, and obviously your other options like your UPI, Paytm, your Google Pay, Phone Pay, lot of this kind of option might be there. Okay, I'm not sure about that. I don't know which kind of payment gateway they are using. So maybe the problem is in your payment gateway. Sometimes happens, like if you are transacting through a SBI credit card or debit card, sometimes it is unsuccessful happen. Okay, because success ratio with the SBI is little less. If you compare with the HDFC, ICICI, Axis, then the SBI transaction success rate is little less. So that might be the problem. Okay, so one problem, first problem I told you is the website is hugely traffic this time. That is why they are not able to handle lot of transaction in same time. And second problem, it can be your own payment gateway problem. Okay, so what is the remedy? Remedy is not such a remedy I can tell you, because there is really no remedies there. See, first thing, do not hurry, because for deck cadets 30th October I guess the last date for registration. So today you register or 30th you register. I am not saying that you register on 30th, better to do it early, but not everyone will get chance. There is no candidates, means cutoff is there like only the first 1000 candidate will be appearing. No, not like that. Everyone will appear who will register in their portal, as well as they fulfill their eligibility criteria also. So all the students will going to get appear for the examination. So there is no issue in that case. So what you have to do in now, if payment is fail, wait for some time, at least give some time, 1 hour, better to give 4 hours. Okay, because sometimes bank used to do the maintenance work with around 4 hours. So give some time, try next day, or better to try at night time. Like now what is the time? Yeah, 12:30 in the night. So you can do that in that time, 12:30, 1 o'clock in the morning time or night time, whatever you can say. So you can do it means AM. Okay, not PM. So that time the traffic will be little less, definitely. So you can do it like that. So that is the remedy. Be patient, and if still not happening, you try to change your gateway from debit card to internet banking. If you don't have, then go to a cyber cafe and try it from their payment gateway, and give them cash. They will do it for you. Maybe they will charge 50 rupees extra. That is not an issue. Another thing, still if you have problem, then you can directly call to company that I am not able to pay. Then they might give you a solution. As per that you can act. Okay, so don't be panic, be patient and try. Definitely payment will be successful. Okay, so thank you guys. Hopefully I've understood this video. If there is any doubt, again you can let me know in the comment section. I hope there is no doubt. So if you like, please give me thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon and press all to get notification for all my upcoming videos. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Signing off for the day.